We who travel, who really travel, are a different breed. Because we don't want what's scripted. We want what's real. To us, travel isn't a checklist of photo ops and trendy hotspots. We're not after escape or keepsakes. Experience, connection, meaning. Those are our favorite souvenirs. We don't just want to go somewhere. We want to grow somewhere. As people, as a community, together. Through the sights we see, the laughs we share, and the things we never thought we'd try. We don't just welcome it all. We love every single freaking second of it. So together, we say, bring on the world. Travel with G Adventures and experience the greatest adventures on Earth.